Welcome to day 17 of my 60-day phase 2 bulking phase challenge. As you are aware of my recent setback because of my injury, I am trying to come to the gym as much as I can every day if it allows. Today is a nighttime gym drop by. I've been busy during the day and I am trying to make up for the lost gains I had made on my previous bulking phase and just to building up strength and momentum. As I keep on coming to the gym, I'm gaining more confidence and I can feel that I'm ready to push myself to the next level as I try to complete this bulking phase. Please also watch my product sourcing and e-commerce content in China. Also subscribe, like the video and drop the comment below.